Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 81. We are on Unit 7. So this is Check-up Challenge Activity 3. Circle the best verb form to complete the sentences. Number 1. What time does the film start? So you may refer to page 124 for the grammar reference. So as you did at these previous pages, so on page 74, the grammar, we ask you to refer to page 124 to refer to the grammar stated. So number 1, already given answer, and number 2, musicians play instruments in the future. So this is won't. So musicians won't play instruments in the future. Number 3, be careful. You're going to fall off the stage. So this one, you choose the first one. Number 4, when the buses leave for the concert hall. So when the buses, so we have plural here, so this is do rather than does. And number 5, the concert starts at 8 o'clock, but the doors at 7. So this one you just choose a base word, the present tense, but the doors open at 7. So because we have this plural here, so we don't have s, so open. Number 6, listened, the orchestra start playing. So the orchestra is going to start playing. So this is going to. So next we are on activity 4. Answer the questions. Write sentences with will or going to. Number 1. What music are you going to listen to tonight? So answer, I am going to listen to pop music tonight. And number 2, how will music be different in the future? So the music will be different in the future in terms of maybe culture, and maybe technological, and maybe influenced by societal factors. And then number 3, when do your school holidays start? So you can write my school holidays start at December. This year. So this is just an example. So basically Malaysia, a lot of holidays, Malaysia schools. So we chose the longest one, which fall in December. And number 4, what are you going to do this weekend? So I am going to play. So play a sport. So for example, tennis. So tennis, we have double S. Tennis this weekend. And number 5, where do you think you will live in the future? So I think I will live, so maybe another planet, so in Mars in the future. So this is Elon Musk project, maybe. So Mars, so in the future. Number 6, what job do you think you will do in the future? So I think I will, so maybe become a job, maybe a teacher or a doctor in the future. So this is up to you how you write. So that's it for this page here. We are on page 81, Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can check it out to join my diagram robot.